What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a very fun special video for you guys because I filmed this video with my hubby. This is a Valentine's Day related video, so I'm going to be sharing with you 4 DIY home date night ideas for Valentine's Day. So this was super fun for me to make for you guys. I do hope you guys enjoy this video, but this video is also a collab with a girl named Karissa. I don't know if I say her last name right, but you know, I'll have all her information down below in the description box. Karissa has a channel a lot like mine, and I know if you guys like my videos, you're gonna like her videos. And she does cleaning, beauty, mommy related, all of that good stuff. The reason why my ideas are like DIY home ideas, because it's very, very hard being in a state with no family to have someone like babysit the kids or us to like go out and date on Valentine's Day. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into this video. So my first idea for a DIY date night is baking something sweet with your hubby. Valentine's Day is all about being sweet and having fun and all that love. So we went ahead and found a sweet treat and a sweet dessert that was easy enough for us to bake together because not both of us know how to bake. We went ahead, got the ingredients that we need. We actually had some of the ingredients already at home, and then we went ahead and had some fun baking together.
I never thought you I just knew I was sold. You probably knew all along what my intentions were.
So my next idea for you guys to do right at home is a game night. So it's always fun playing games with friends and family, and better yet, your spouse. So me and Shanam, instead of doing a board game, we actually found out about this game during the holidays. We played with our family, and it's a charades on an app. So with this game, it's super simple. You don't need anything. You don't have to buy anything. You have a free app. It's called Charades. You can find it in your store, and we went ahead and played that game. You can add your favorite wine. You can add some fun appetizers, light up the candles, all of that good stuff. Just be alone with your spouse and have fun and play the game and try and beat him. So that was super fun. I wasn't really great at charades, but I had so much fun playing. So we had a lot of laughs. It was super goofy, and that was the best part. So definitely playing a board game at home is super affordable, super simple, and you can just do it right from your home. So the next DIY date night idea I have for you is a DIY spa date. So this is definitely something you do once you put the kids to bed. You just go ahead, you light up your room with candles, you grab some of your favorite foot scrubs, lotions, whatever. I got a lot of mine from Dollar Tree, and you can find everything that you need. You can find a body lotion so you guys can give each other massages. We actually had these face masks, so we thought it'd be really fun to refresh our skin, refresh our face, and put masks on each other. So that's what we went ahead and did. This was super fun and romantic. It's probably the most romantic one, but you have a lot of good times. We also, you know, had chocolates there, and we set the mood with decorations. It was so much fun. Buy a few of these spa type beauty products and pamper your spouse, take care of him or her, and show them how much you love them. So the next date idea I have for you guys is either going to like your local park, or you can go in your backyard, whatever works for you. For us, we went ahead and we went in our backyard because we do have a fire pit out there, or even laying down in front of a fire in your home. So we brought out our blanket, we got our wine glasses. You can turn on your music on your phone and just kind of chill and have some one-on-one talk time. You don't have to celebrate Valentine's Day by going out, spending $100 on dinner, doing something crazy. Like, you don't have to do that. That stuff's fun, and we all deserve to do that once in a while. But if you're not able to do it right now, it's okay to just kind of set the mood with your spouse and at least take some designated time for you and him. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys got some inspiration on some different ideas that you can do right from home with your hubby or your wife or whoever that you love, and you can do them right from home with very, very little money. And if you don't have a sitter, here you go. So I hope you take these ideas and do something with it. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to go check out Karissa's video. Oh, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.